Let's consider a make-to-order process. In order to provide a quotation to a customer with a delivery date, we have to prepare bill of materials, we have to plan the production, and then we estimate the cost and the delivery date. Planning the production is very time consuming. We might consider only performing this task if it is absolutely necessary. If a customer asks us for a quote and we are not very sure that that customer will actually put the order, we might then consider only doing the preparation of the bill of material followed by the estimation of the cost, and we could provide a quotation to the customer with a rough estimated production time. Only once the customer commits to the price that we have quoted, then we will do the production planning in details. This will be time consuming, and then we will provide to the customer an estimate of the delivery date. Let's take another example, this time in the context of a procure-to-pay process, where we have two checks. One check is to check for the necessity of approval. The other task is to check if the budget allows the purchase to be done. Let us assume that the necessity of approval knocks out 20% of process instances, meaning that during this approval it is found that we should not purchase the products in question, and therefore we stop the process instance and no further processing is required. And now let us assume that the budget approval only knocks out 2% of cases. In other words, it is very rare that we do not proceed with a purchase order because of a lack of budget. It's generally because of the fact that the necessity of the purchase has not been approved. In this context, the resequencing heuristic tells us that we should put first the check necessity of purchase and then the budget check, because the necessity of purchase is the check that will knock out the greater amount of process instances, and in doing so it will reduce the amount of unnecessary work that we perform on a purchase request.